greensandmachines.com.
Yes, welcome back to Greens and Machines. We're here in Upland on this nice June gloomy morning, and it seems hell has frozen over because it's kind of sprinkling out right now. Take a look. Hold on, let me fix the camera. There we go. So we're heading to the Barzy Bash for the third year in a row, and it's funny because I get the feeling there's like 20 other people making a video about the exact same thing right now. But yeah, and you may be wondering why there wasn't a video for last year's bash, and I think what happened at the bash last year stayed there, so that's why. So we're gonna go meet up with all the cool people. I mean, it's not just about winning free stuff, it's about being among a community of people that, like, it's almost like a secret society of people that like building stuff, like a different language, like you're among your people. And we got 2 cameras today, so I'm gonna film the bike ride if it doesn't get rained on. All right. Ink and toner. But over here, Icken and toner. This camera keeps dying on me when I go over a bump. I hope I win that GoPro.
By the way, we're heading up the Pacific Electric Bike Trail, which runs along the old Pacific Electric Railroad right-of-way between Claremont and Fontana, but we're exiting Cucamonga Creek right here.
Stop by Old Town Baking Co. to get some bread because the Barzy Bash hasn't exactly been known for having vegan food, but that may be because the name Barzy might actually be a reference to a cattle brand, but I'll have to ask Stan about that. We've got 9 grain. And it looks like the bike shop I like might not be there anymore. That's where I got this steel crank and this pedal extenders. Well, it looks like I'm in luck. They just moved the bike shop a few miles. 1 mile. Now up the most daunting looking street ever. All right, we're almost there. I just had to stop to smell this jasmine because it's so blooming. So good, man. So good. Yeah, every year, like. And we started. Sensory overstimulation has started. And hell has frozen over, and I literally feel like putting my jacket back on because it is pretty chilly. Like the last 2 years it was hot, but they weren't lying when they said hell was frozen over. Now I was gonna buy some more raffle tickets, but the line was so incredibly long. We'll give it some time to die down and win anything possible.
So, like, you know,
some of the stuff is the hardware handle.
I'll tell you what I'm really interested in winning. Some carbide and mills. And about anything else I could use. The clouds still lingering in the hills. It's about noon or so. Yeah, I wanted to take a break to get some silence, get away from the action for a bit. Not much you can do about that though. I feel like this year, like I won stuff the last 2 years, and I guess I've just been too preoccupied with the expectation that I have to win something again that it's been distracting me from enjoying it. But you know what? That doesn't matter. We're not here to win stuff, we're here to have a good time. And let's get back to the party.
Thanks for reminding me about that, Mr. Pete. Now, what do you actually? Here's a great question. What do you prefer to be called, Mr. Pete or Tubal Kane? I think I like Mr. Pete better than what the kids called me in school. And I didn't object to it. What scared me, matter of fact, I rather became fond of it. Good. As long as they use the mister. Some would try to just say Pete. But my worst, I wanted them to have a handle that they like. I was up there half dressed, spraying you down with oil. And then he woke up from his dream.
Tom Wanzi, Tom Monzi, Tommy Gun Machine.
Oh,
We did an awesome video with horror movie team.
I agree.
New stuff. Oh, really worth a look. Is he here? No, he's in Tasmania. And there's a GoPro for him. Oh, sweet. And the Randy Richards Cry.
totally called it.
Wow, okay. The optical comparator.
So I didn't win any of the raffle things. I might have a chance at second or third place in the milling machine maze. I might have a chance at the height gauge one. And I didn't enter the forge out competition, but they're like competing for like $4,000. It's crazy. And I bought some collets to fill in all the sizes I didn't have, and a book on how to build an injection molding machine in case my die casting goes to hell. But you know, hell's frozen over, so. Oh, and I didn't win the tool making competition, but that's alright. I won in the sense that I actually built the mold and it worked. Just when I thought I was out, I actually did win something. Got second place in the mill maze competition. And yeah, things are winding down now. What a long day. Oh my goodness. And the sun actually came out and hell is frozen over. And I won something that I can actually use. And I also bought those collets, which I will be using, and I think we'll be back next year.